everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name's Olivia and long time no video. So I haven't made a video in probably over a year, if not more, and I'm coming back to YouTube. I would say that I'm coming back to YouTube, but I kind of feel like I'm starting YouTube from scratch. Although I'm keeping my old channel and stuff, I'm doing something completely different in revamping this channel. So if you watched me before, first you might have noticed that my YouTube name is different. It was once Funtabulous Makeup, something that I made while I was in high school, and now it's just my name, Olivia. And the reason why I changed it is, like I said, I just wanted a fresh start and something that represents me and my brand. If you watched me in the past, you would have probably seen my college series on my YouTube channel. That was like my most popular videos, were Outfit of the Days and college series. And I have graduated college. I graduated with a bachelor's in communications, focusing on PR, advertising, and marketing, and sociology. Double majored, and I was living in Cleveland, Ohio. So I have now moved to outside of Sydney, Australia. So I did a couple videos where I was getting ready for studying abroad in Australia, and now I'm living outside of Sydney. So I'm living with my partner that we met in Cleveland, where he also went to school, and he's from Australia. After studying abroad, I decided after graduating I was going to move to Australia. We're currently living in a 3-bedroom house with our 3 animals. So we have 2 cats and a puppy, a 7-month-old puppy. So lots going on. Because I haven't been making videos doesn't mean I haven't been producing content. I am the creator and blogger of Our Wandering Mind. So I'll leave the link to my blog down below so you can check it out. But basically, I've posted tons of stuff on there: college, advice, lifestyle, outfit of the days, product reviews, and traveling, which traveling is a huge passion of mine and one of the main reasons why I moved to Australia. So on my blog I have travel guides, I have hotel reviews, all that kind of travel stuff, but also tons of lifestyle stuff and advice and home decor and all that. So what I'm hoping for the future for my YouTube channel is kind of to mimic what's on my blog. The reason why I decided to make videos again is because when I was doing my blog posts, I was just thinking that a lot of these blog posts would have been amazing as videos instead, or would have relayed the message I'm trying to convey. So I really wanted to start making videos to just boost my creativity and create more awesome content. These videos have been something that I've been thinking about for over a year, but it's just kind of doing it the right time, and I'm just so excited, and I have so many things planned for this channel and my blog. So like I mentioned, if you want an idea of what my channel is to come, definitely check out my blog. That will be linked down below to get an idea of the type of content that will now be on this channel. But you can expect cleaning routines, organization videos, home decor videos, animal videos, fashion, decorating on a budget. I am a recent college graduate, so definitely budget-friendly stuff will be on this channel. I also have a full-time job, so landing a job after college and what you can do to set yourself up after college or while you're in college to get a job. I also freelance and do social media for companies and blog on the side, so kind of that technical aspect I would love to bring to this channel as well. And of course, traveling. I would love to do travel guides. I would love to do travel diaries and all that kind of travel stuff on this channel as well. So if any of those things sound interesting to you, stick around. I would love if you subscribed, and I can't wait to provide awesome content on here and to just make my blog even better. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!